Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can 3D print your large models by cutting them into pieces. Basically, this works for mostly all slicers out there, like maybe this one, which is going to be the Creality slicer, and this one, which is going to be Orca slicer. You just want to follow along. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the model that you want to print. In my case, I have this very big, cute dragon model right here. And the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the cut options. So in most slicers, the shortcut key is going to be letter C on your keyboard. So you just want to press on it, or you can then click on the cut function at the top of your properties right here. So after clicking on cut, you can then navigate or examine with the properties right here. So if you maybe want to cut them in the middle, you can just do so. But in my case, I'm going to be cutting my dragon into the bottom part and onto the head part. So I'm good with this one. And if you want to super glue them or add a glue with them, it's totally fine. But if you want to make things easier, you can also add a connection or a connector onto your model or to your cut. So click on the add connector. From here, you have multiple options to choose from. Basically, the best shape right here is going to be hexagon in most cases. Now to apply the connector, you then want to click on any part of your cut. So I'm going to be placing it on the middle one right here. And then I'm going to increase its depth, its size, and let's change something like the rotation. So to finalize the cut, just click on the confirm cut or the confirm connector and then click perform cut. From there, this will then split your model into two parts. Basically, we have the first part, or we have the first cut, and we have the second cut. Basically, with this one, you will be able to see them on the objects category separately. So if you want to print the first part first, the first thing that you want to do is to save the other part and then delete them on our plate. So let's go ahead and save this specific part right here, which is going to be the cute dragon head. You want to right click on it, click on the export as one STL, and then let's name this cute dragon part 2 because this is going to be the part 2 of my print. Click on save, and then now we can delete this specific part. So the next thing that you want to do is to just to print this part right here, and basically you are good to go. Right after that, you then want to delete this model, and then we can import the part that we just saved, which is going to be the cute dragon part 2. And basically from there, it will then add the connector that we have placed and also the head itself. So just print this, and now you have two parts of the same model. So you can just experiment on using these functions, but generally that's how you print them onto multiple parts. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.